Today we're here at VFW Post 6602 in Hinesville, Georgia to talk about this OD Green Black Widow from Fox Performance. So let me give you some of the details of this truck. First thing you're going to notice is the 22-inch black appearance package wheels. Fox specifically makes these wheels through fuel. They're one of a kind. You're going to see the Black Widow emblem, you're going to see the black appearance finish, and you're going to see the OD green with the black hood scoops up on top. As we walk through, you're also going to know that the fender flares are painted to be the exact same color as the finish, no black and green mix. This is also part of Fox's Patriot line. It's a bunch of new vehicles that are going to be hitting the lot very soon. We're going to see Black Widow badging, military call sign for a special shout out for SCA Performance, who works with Fox hand in hand. 5 Charlie 4 Bravo Whiskey is SCA Black Widow. Very, very cool. We have the exposed wheel well where you can see the BDS suspension in its full glory, reinforced leaf springs to handle any of the tough off-roading that you would like to take advantage of, diamond cross stitch pattern, black and red, Black Widow emblems on the seat rest, center console, and on the flip up part of the glove box, you're gonna have a serial number to show you that this is not just anybody's truck, it's your truck. And even though this is built on the XLT platform, it's very special because you do have the option for the twin panel moonroof. So if you're shopping for a one-of-a-kind F-150 or F-Series truck that says you support the troops or you've served our great nation, come see us today at J.C. Lewis Ford.